It's been a few days that your new book, The Diary of an Author, is out and it's already touching the top charts.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel about it, and what's your feeling about the decade of 13 books?
बहुत पहले मैंने क्रैक कर लिया था. It's the name who sells, it's the author who sells. And I thought जब मुझे एक आइडिया हुआ ना कि यार मैं 100% कमा सकता हूँ बुक से,
Hmm.
राइट? सो व्हाई टू जस्ट टेक 10% एज अ रॉयल्टी. सो मुझे पता नहीं था उस टाइम.
कितना आने वाला है?
एंड उस टाइम लगा था 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000.
So, how easy is to get the best-selling tag in today's time?
So again, depends on what best-selling tag you want to take it home. See, as a publisher, I would very honest. आप अगर means 500 कॉपी भी आप साल में बेच लो ना. If you are selling 500, if you're an Indian author and a new author, if you are selling even 500 copies in a year, I think you are a best-selling author because I have done over almost now 300 books in last 4 years as a
Lovely.
publisher.
Nice.
As a publisher, right? And the highest sale which I know, after of course me, is I think around maybe 150. So I don't know how big your podcast goes. If somebody is listening, सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग हाउस में अगर कोई भी मार्केटिंग के नाम पे आपसे पैसा ले रहा है, अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दूंगा आपको, ऑल लाइज.
Yeah.
मैं चैलेंज कर सकता हूँ कोई सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग हाउस अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दे रहा है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के नाम के अगर 5 बुक स्टोर में बुक रखवाना का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, कम टू अस, हम लोग 10 दे देंगे फ्री में.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Hello everyone, welcome to another guest episode of Pages and Beyond podcast show. I am Tanvi and today I am having a very interesting guest with me, Ajitab Bose, who is a best-selling author and pioneer of pocketbooks. Hi Ajitab, how are you doing?
All good. It's a very monsoon season. It's not stopping. And मतलब मैं personally चाहूँगा कि रुके ना, but of course it's affecting life, so I think
Yeah, it's
high
affecting
time
lives badly.
it stops now.
Yeah. But amidst this monsoon, it's been a few days that your new book, The Diary of an Author, is out and it's already touching the top charts.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel about it, and what's your feeling about the decade of 13 books?
Honestly, when I started writing, till today, I don't know if people know this or not, my main profession is not writing.
Yes.
Yeah. And my main profession is, of course, my publishing house now and
Yeah.
my advertising agency. And third is, of course, books. I don't earn much from books. I think people know this, why I don't earn much. It's not that I don't sell, but 2015, when I started writing, I made a promise to God that जो भी royalty आएगा, I will donate to the people on NGOs or anywhere. So मुझे पता नहीं था उस टाइम.
कितना आने वाला है?
And उस टाइम लगा था 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000. So it's a good amount. It's a good cause. I only wanted to do something. Today the amount has gone up to lakhs now.
Nice. That's a big
And-
number.
And I still don't keep any money which I earn as a royalty from the book.
Okay, but in your book, I have read like money started coming in. So, have you never used any of the money that came
I
from
started
the book?
using money from my books when I started publishing my own books. And so technically, what I promised to God that जो royalty मिलेगा वो मैं दूंगा, जो मैं आज भी देता हूँ. 10 to 15% of all the income which comes from my book goes to NGOs till date.
Okay.
Rest 85% is owned my own publishing house. So
Yeah.
85% is something which I earn from my book right now. And I have said this long back as well that बहुत पहले मैंने क्रैक कर लिया था. It's the name who sells, it's the author who sells. And I thought जब मुझे एक आइडिया हुआ ना कि यार मैं 100% कमा सकता हूँ बुक से, right? So why to just take 10% as a royalty? So when I opened my publishing house, yeah, it helped me a lot of ways. If you have read the book, you will know how it has helped.
The
But
person
I
who
won't
has
give it out much,
read
but
the
yeah.
book, yeah, because I can feel like you have resisted to put everything there when you say you have cracked it, how to sell. So, how easy is to get the best-selling tag in today's time?
So again, depends on what best-selling tag you want to take it home. See, there are terms जो बोला जाता है ना. See, I as a publisher, I would very honest. आप अगर मीन्स 500 कॉपी भी आप साल में बेच लो ना. If you are
Hmm.
selling 500, if you're an Indian author and a new author, if you are selling even 500 copies in a year,
Hmm.
I think you are a best-selling author because I have done over almost now 300 books in last 4 years as a
Lovely.
publisher.
Nice.
As a publisher, right? And the highest sale which I know, after of course me, is I think around maybe 150.
Hmm.
So that is that bad, you know. And हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल विंग भी खोले थे. So when I
Okay.
started Ajita Publishers, I wanted to stop all the barriers for all the authors की बड़े ट्रेडिशनल जाना है तो you have to be a big author,
Big author, and you have to have a like huge following
huge
on
following, you
social
have to be a
media.
celeb
Yeah.
author exactly, या फिर आप influencer हो या that ways. Self publishing authors, self publishing जो publishers थे वो लूट रहे थे, you know.
Yeah, I
They
have
have
been
packed.
there.
Everybody is अरे my story, my first story जो short story publish हुई थी, it was 2014, and one of my friend, so that friend told me कि यार book डालो, if you want to, if you are serious about writing, you should publish your book.
Hmm.
So I sent a story to a random publisher and I got selected. I was very happy in cloud nine, top of the world, and people were like, था ना कि ओ वाओ वाओ वाओ. फिर मेल आया कि 2500 रुपए एंट्री फीस एंड ऑल
Entry
दैट
fees, and
नॉनसेंस.
there will be
And
packages and all.
with time I realized it's not that I got selected, it's just because I paid that 2500. Anyone can get published.
Yeah.
It's not a contest actually. It's the
Exactly.
paying thing. ये चीज मुझे बंद करना है.
Hmm.
मैं सेल्फ पब्लिश आज भी हूँ, ठीक है. सेल्फ पब्लिशर्स का मेरा हमेशा से एक मुद्दा रहा है कि यार एक बुक निकालने में ना 5-10 हज़ार रुपये चला इतना नहीं. इट्स एन ऑनेस्ट थिंग. कोई नहीं बोलेगा आपको, मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, you know. And charging them 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, all the big publishing, self-publishing
I
house,
know. I have
it's a
seen
very
those
shameful thing.
packages like every year on year, the packages are increasing. I keep receiving
And
those
they give
packages.
nothing. I'm
Yeah,
telling
I
you,
know.
they
I have seen that, and I
and
have not received anything in
कुछ नहीं.
return that would
Today I'll
count
tell you.
as
Today I'll tell
worthy.
you. I don't know how big your podcast goes. If somebody is listening, सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग हाउस में अगर कोई भी मार्केटिंग के नाम पे आपसे पैसा ले रहा है, अगर कोई बोल रहा है कि मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दूंगा आपको,
Hmm.
ऑल लाइज.
Yeah.
मैं चैलेंज कर सकता हूँ कोई सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग हाउस अगर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन दे रहा है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के नाम पे अगर 5 बुक स्टोर में बुक रखवाना का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, कम टू अस, हम लोग 10 दे देंगे फ्री में.
Yeah.
ठीक है. सो मैंने पब्लिशिंग हाउस खोला, मैंने बोला, सो आई वी रिमूव द एडिटोरियल डिपार्टमेंट. टिल
Okay.
डेट वी डोंट हैव एन एडिटोरियल डिपार्टमेंट इन
Hmm.
आवर हाउस. हमने बोला आपके पास कहानी है, आप हमारे पास आओ, विल पब्लिश योर बुक विदाउट एनी आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस.
Okay.
नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड. आप स्क्रिप्ट दो. I don't know. See, we sign a contract where we are not. It's clearly mentioned that we are not responsible for the content in the book.
Hmm.
ठीक है. We just are printing and publishing and
Publisher.
listing it on Amazon, right?
Okay.
You won't believe, new publishing house 2020. Within a week, we received over 180 scripts. New
Of
publishing
course,
house
right? Because
because it was
people-
free.
because it was free, and everybody is like
Again, I
fooling
was,
people.
I was again on Cloud9. Wow, so famous. I'm so famous that publishing house खोला और इतना scripts. We started publishing. Within a year, we published around 80-90 books. Within a year, all our cost, all traditional, no self, all
Yeah.
traditional.
That's lovely.
ठीक है. Out of 90, 88 books didn't even sell 5 copies.
Okay.
At best as that. And so because I had also investors, so there are 4 people which owns the company. And of course, I own the majority shares, but they also have shares. जब हमारा बैलेंस शीट बना, we were in so much red, dark red, bold colors. My people said that, brother, charity करना है, आपका royalty मिलता है ना आपको, आप करो. We cannot continue this way.
This way, right?
So we again, so हमने एक और wing खोला जहाँ पे sell, where we only charge 5,000 or 10,000, which is the minimal charge जो cover designer, typeset,
Typeset,
printing,
yeah, right.
ठीक है, Amazon, ये जो हम लोग packing में जो cost है. And I still challenge anyone in India. अब मैं जो सर्विस देता हूँ, ठीक है, आर प्रिंटर सेम प्रिंटर जहाँ से पेंगुइन की बुक्स प्रिंट होती है,
Hmm.
पेंगुइन
Okay.
हार्बर. ठीक है. हमारा कवर डिजाइनर ऑन ए क्लास मैं ही हूँ. बिकॉज आई, अच्छा, आई डोंट नो पीपल नो दिस और नॉट, आई हैव वर्कड विद all the publishing
Publishers, I
houses.
see. You have
Pen-
written in this book.
Penguin, नाम नहीं है मैं बता दूँ.
Yeah.
Penguin, Harper, Christie, whatever, all the publishing houses you know. I've worked with Penguin in-house as well.
Oh, nice.
मतलब मैं तो
As a designer.
as a designer, ठीक है. So we give the best product and I can challenge anyone जो इस price में देते हैं. हम लोग आज भी ट्रेडिशनल विंग खोल के रखें, but there's always a clause that you have to sell n number of copies
Copies.
within 6 months.
Okay.
And people come to us and sir आप ट्रेडिशनल दे रहे हैं, आप ऐसा कैसा लिखवा सकते हैं?
Hmm.
And I always tell them it's a very clear fact that if you're not sure about your book,
Then who would be?
आप अगर बोल रहे हो कि आप and the number is very less, it's like 50 copies or 100 copies,
100,
ठीक
yeah.
है?
20,
मैं कह रहा हूँ,
starting is
I-
20, I guess.
I just clearly tell them अगर आप 100 कॉपी नहीं बेच पाओगे 6 महीने में, आप ये कह रहे हो,
Hmm.
तो फिर तो if you're not trusting your own book, how can I trust your book?
Yeah, exactly.
It's very
And
clear.
that's how I think book marketing runs. Without, like, if the book is not selling, there is no point of it being in the market.
Yeah, while we see, we also have a clause if you sell, I think, a couple of thousand copies, and we give offline distribution. We have tie-up with Crosswords and Oxford.
Okay.
आप बेचो तो promote. आप नहीं आ रहे, I will make you next अजिता. आप बेच को तो दिखाओ. See, if you're not selling, how can we invest?
Hmm.
हमारा एक कॉस्ट जाता है, आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे. एक बुक का प्रिंटिंग कॉस्ट अगर मैं डिजिटल में देखूं, अगेन ऐसा कोई नहीं बताएगा, आई एम टेलिंग, बिकॉज वी आर दैट ट्रांसपेरेंट, ठीक है.
Okay.
अगर 200 पेज की किताब है ना, हमारी खरीदी वो 100 रुपए की, 50 पैसा पेज का बिकता है,
Right.
ठीक है. अगर हम लोग उसका एमआरपी 300 रखते हैं, ठीक है, 300 में तो 100 रुपए उसका है, राइट. Amazon charges the shipping charges, we have their own warehousing, we have their own team to pay, आपको रॉयल्टी भी देना. And then if you expect कि we cannot, I never forced, I would say, but yeah, if I tell them कि can you please sell 50 copies at least within like next 3 months, and if they're getting offended, yeah, do get offended, like I said.
It is via Amazon, or like they can sell in any way.
We are exclusively on Amazon because when we started, we had multiple channels: Paytm, Snapdeal, Flipkart.
Yeah,
But-
Snapdeal was also there earlier.
It's coming back again.
Okay.
Meesho is also, it's not
Yeah.
one of the platforms. LinkedIn is also one of the platforms. But what I have noticed, you will agree, every author will agree, Amazon ranking से फर्क पड़ता है.
Exactly.
मैं कह रहा हूँ दूसरे चैनल बनाना ही क्यों है? I think बड़े पब्लिशर ना Amazon ranking से आपको उठाएगा.
Exactly. मतलब
They
everybody
won't
is
check
looking
कि
up to it
आपके
only.
कितने चैनल, लोगों को ना ये they want to show off that my book is available in every platform.
Exactly. But the
They
other
require
thing
एक ही
is,
चैनल काफी है. पता है क्या? It was making also for us as a जो हमारा warehouse team है, उनकी तरफ से हमारा बहुत फीडबैक आया था 1 साल के अंदर. It becomes very messy. हम लोग छोटे हाउसेस है. We don't have a team of 50 people that Flipkart एक देख रहा. एक ही बंदा जो देखता है पूरा warehouse,
Warehouse
मतलब
एक
जो
okay, but Amazon rating also matters because Amazon itself like has the another arena of Amazon books.
Yeah.
So उनका खुद का
Flipkart
पूरा
also has.
market है.
Flipkart also has.
But I haven't heard of. I think many people
Flipkart
won't be
actually
knowing
started
about
for
it.
books actually. Don't. And
Okay.
it's Amazon also started for books.
Okay.
Amazon का starting books से हुआ था ना.
No.
So when
I
Amazon was invented, they only delivered books
don't- Okay.
in US. Then it started with all categories.
But
and
उनका
everything.
मतलब ऐसा hyped है, like everybody knows
हाँ,
about Amazon books,
हाँ.
but Flipkart books, this is something new
Everybody
I'm
will talk
hearing
about
from.
Amazon ranking.
Hmm.
आपने सुना है कि आपका मीशो रैंकिंग बताओ?
नहीं.
No one talks.
Because in Miso, people also think like they are having the pirated books and all the other, like the books are not the actual work.
Initial years जब मेरी pirated books आती थी ना, मेरे को बहुत खुशी होता था.
I am seeing this trend these days on Instagram a lot.
Yeah. मेरे को बहुत खुशी होता था. मेरे को लगता था यार I made it. People are now pirating my books, but now I feel शाहरुख खान वाला बुक तो is all pirated. मेरे खुद की बुक निकलती ही नहीं है. मतलब अगर मैं बता रहा हूँ, I get around 10 to 15 orders a week. ठीक है, अभी after 10 years.
10 years, yeah.
Still I get, ठीक है. But the book is selling around 30 to 40 copies a week.
Nice. That's a good.
Not
That's again a
nice.
good number. 30 to
All
40.
pirated copies. It's
But-
not coming to me at the end of the day. I'm not earning from that book. I used to feel
Okay.
nice initially.
Yeah.
कि
No,
यार
I
वो
thought
तो
you are getting the orders.
No, I'm
That's
not
why.
getting. I'm not
Okay,
getting.
that is going to pirated world.
Yeah, so I have applied for trademark almost a year back. I'm just waiting for the trademark to come in. अरे एक एक को सू करेंगे, सबका हटवाएंगे.
So with that, I have the. I want to know, like many people say, you are known as the pioneer of pocket books.
Yeah.
Someone who introduced pocket books in India. But some people think the book of these kind, like the small books, they are simple and they just they are very easy to, they are
Yeah,
very short.
yeah.
So what do
Small.
you think about, like, they spoil the literature, or how is it?
See, I always have told this, I'll tell this again. I'm not here to do literature, honestly. I'm a storyteller, I write stories. इसके पहले मैं फिल्म मेकर था, आज भी हूँ, ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने फिल्म बनाना छोड़ दिया, but that's again different story to talk about. So I've always delivered stories. ठीक है, I always tell them literature पढ़ना है, you have better options. आपको अगर बहुत जन बोलते हैं ना कि ग्रामर, इंग्लिश, सेंटेंसेस,
Yeah.
you have Renan Martin.
Hmm.
I'm not writing Renan Martin. मेरा कहानी आप तक पहुंचे, आपको अच्छी लगे, that's my only agenda, motto in life. ठीक है. When I started pocket books, of course, I always very proudly say this, the only self-published author who was rejected by self-publishing houses. ठीक है. And see, I still have goosebumps when I talk about it because I don't think so कोई भी self-published house reject करता है किसी को भी, तो पैसा दो
Exactly.
and they will publish you, right?
हाँ.
That's how it works. But yeah, they rejected the idea because the idea was very new. जो
Right.
चीज बहुत नया होता है ना, लोगों को समझ नहीं आता, वो बोलते हैं अरे तो बेकार है, पागल है. It's very.
It's true.
जब हो जाता
That's
है,
true.
now there are over 5,000 pocket books in India in
Hmm.
next like last 10 years में जो आया है. Because I started it, see, I wouldn't say, I always say this, I don't write the best pocket books, maybe, even I don't write the best books in India. But yeah, because I started it, and होता ना वो founder को out of respect they started calling me that वो titles,
Pioneer.
Pioneer or King of Pocket Books and all that. I enjoy, I will be very honest, but I felt that that was not the motto to do it.
Right.
I created a national record, same,
Oh,
for the
Limca
pocket book.
book. Yeah,
Yeah,
I saw that.
yeah,
They
yeah.
mentioned in this book.
Yeah, so pocket book के लिए मिला था.
हाँ.
Right. भगवान करे ये भी हो जाए. I applied for this also. I think it will
Yeah,
happen because it's never been done. I have researched it very well. Again, that was also
I
not
think
the
it is
motto.
not done. Yeah, I haven't seen as well.
मतलब वर्ल्ड में भी मतलब गिनेस में भी डाल दिया.
Where?
क्योंकि वर्ल्ड में भी
Guinness. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So that will be a very. I think it will easily come up with national record for sure. Guinness थोड़ा tricky है. Guinness मिल गया तो it will be like a cherry on the cake. I'll do a giveaway for 100 copies free for.
Oh wow, that's lovely. And
Yeah,
I
if I
think
get.
people would like to read it, because while I was reading it, it went so smooth. I thought it is written in the form of a diary. It might
Yeah,
have some
it's
grammar and other stuff. Other things can come that will.
it's my personal diary.
Yeah, I
It's
felt
just
that.
personal diary
While
को ही
reading
हमने
it, I
book
felt
करवा
that.
दी. Yeah.
Yeah. So talking about this book, what were the doubts and emotions you were having while writing this book?
Every author starts with their own book, own journey, own story, right? Majority I would say. मतलब आप कोई भी बड़े author को जानते हो ना, they will start with their usually with their own love story or with their own childhood story. I never did that. I started with some fictional stories and it kept working and working. I always wanted to do my own story, but मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि I wanted to meet 3 people. I met all of them, and I think that's the time I felt कि yeah, I should do my book because now that you have read the book, you will understand that it's a very Bollywood type story.
Yeah.
आधा लोगों को लगेगा अरे तो ये हो ही नहीं सकता, fictional लगता है.
Actually, for me, it was like, why did it end so quickly? Like, I need more of it. I need more about it.
Right. अभी तो उम्र बड़ा हुआ है मतलब. I was just wanted to because ये भी जैसे ये लोग कहानी भी है ना. The journey only talks about my author journey. There's also a journey of filmmaker जो मैंने
Filmmaker,
बहुत
yeah.
touch करके
That's
छोड़ दिया.
not
There are a lot
enough,
of
yeah.
things I have just touched and left because again I'll do an autobiography as well someday. जब मैं
Okay.
बुढ़ा हो जाऊंगा maybe. And there's more to achieve. I think a lot of things to come. My only emotions was that I wanted my story to come out so that क्योंकि author का कोई है ही नहीं book. Why people are not talking about? I feel very कि why don't people talk about publishing houses? क्या चल रहा है? ठीक है. There are lot of ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बहुत knowledgeable आदमी हूँ, मुझे सब पता है publishing house में.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But there are more knowledgeable person than me who refrain to talk about publishing
About
houses.
publishing and the dark sides of it, basically. If we
Dark sides,
precisely
या
say.
बोलो या secrets of publishing. I don't know why authors are so afraid of giving out the secrets to becoming a bestseller. You come to me, I'll tell you. To ask me, I'll tell you. There's a complete chapter where I've written
Yes.
recipes of bestseller, right? And I won't say it's easy to become. Again, you have to write a good story.
True.
ठीक है. Marketing comes secondary. आपका बैकबोन ही अच्छा, मार्केटिंग से हाइप बना सकते हैं, ठीक है।
Marketing, so you can just
I can
spread the
create a
word
hype by
hype, and the book will be there in the market
yeah,
until you are spending on the marketing, and after that there is no show of that book.
बिकॉज क्या है ना, एक टाइम के बाद कितना खर्चा कर लो,
Exactly.
वो फिर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से फैलता है, राइट।
Right.
इफ टुडे पीपल आर सीइंग दिस हैंडक्राफ्टेड बुक एंड व्हाटएवर, क्योंकि कॉन्सेप्ट ही यूनिक है। I again, I know that I'm not a good writer. I always tell this. I know there are millions of good writers whose book are not selling. Not selling because of their own reasons, but they are writing good books.
Good books, yeah. We
But
read all those
yeah,
books.
so you need to have a good marketing skills maybe, or something which works out well. For me, I always knew that writing तो यार देखो ठीक है, मैं ऐसा कुछ अलग नहीं लिख रहा हूँ कि like will become the next Ruskin Bond maybe. मोटा वैसे हो गया मे बी, बट वो नहीं होगा। तो आप अगर देखोगे पॉकेट बुक्स, दिस वन, देन दिस आल्सो बुक विद कंप्लीट पिंक पेजेस, एंड आई
Hmm.
डिड अ बुक ऑन दिस ऑल थ्री बिग सेलेब्स। ऐसा नहीं कि आया और लिख दिया, इट वाज ऑल प्लान्ड, इट वाज
Hmm.
ऑल आई डेस्टिन्ड, ऑल आई मैनिफेस्टेड।
Like what you wanted to achieve with that, like basically you wanted to meet these people.
या
You just devised a way to meet them through these books,
या
I
या
believe.
एक्चुअली पीपल आस्क मी कि कैसे मिलने के लिए लिखा था, ऐसा नहीं कि मिलने के लिए लिखा था। आई वांटेड टू मीट देम, ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स वन ऑफ द रीजंस आई वुड से। And this is Shahrukh wala book tha. If you talk about Shahrukh sir's book, In Love with Shahrukh Khan, the story was about a fan and her love towards a superstar.
Hmm.
ठीक है। Me being a fan of Shahrukh Khan, I thought why not Shahrukh Khan? वो अक्षय कुमार भी हो सकता था, अमिताभ बच्चन भी हो सकता था। If
True.
you just replace In Love with Amitabh Bachchan, the story will completely remain the same. But again, if I love him,
Hmm.
he's my idol. Everybody knows. Shahrukh Khan बोलो अमिताभ ऑटोमेटिक दिख ही जाता है, because that's how much I love him. जब सेकंड भी जो कपिल शर्मा वाला was something, because again all the three people, MSD, Kapil Sharma sir and SRK sir, all three, they have come from nowhere. All
Right.
ground, all middle class people, especially Kapil sir, MSD, right? Shahrukh sir फिर भी middle class में थे. Kapil sir, if you have read the biography of Kapil Sharma, there was a time when Kapil Sharma used to sing in the night in जागरण, ठीक है। इसका फिर वो जो पैसे मिलते थे सुबह, वो जागरण कंप्लीट उस दिन का राशन बनता था घर में। ही वाज
Okay.
दैट, वो रैग टू रिचेस वाला कहानी सुनोगे, इट्स कपिल शर्मा स्टोरी,
Okay.
राइट। So even the MSD, if you've seen the, everybody knows the story of MSD, right? The biopic. So these people inspire. I'm also from a middle class family, lower middle class family, right? And I want to. It's not that I love them as a cricketer or a comedian or an actor.
There's that
Their
their
journey,
personality and the
their
journey
personality, yeah, their personal
is
life
something that
inspires me,
inspired
very
you.
inspired for me.
Yeah.
I'm also from a small town. I also want to become something big, and that's how. And again, बोलते हैं ना वो शाहरुख, सच्चे दिल से चाहोगे तो पूरी कायनात, and it works.
Yeah,
You
I
manifest
believe that.
things. I can challenge you. आप अगर वो पागल हो ना, आपके दिमाग में बैठ गया ना कि भाई शाहरुख से मिलना है, आप मिलके ही आओगे।
So if I say whether you wrote these books like SRK, MSD, or Kapil Sharma, and even on some YouTube
Yeah,
influencers you have written.
yes.
So was that a mere PR gimmick or what was it for you?
See, as I said, if I write a love story, see, my love stories also work, ठीक है, but my highest selling books will be SRK वाली, YouTube वाली has sold, but it was a big flop. I'll tell you the story as well. Book में भी है वैसे।
Yeah, I have read that and I
It
know.
was a big flop because we expected much more, but ठीक है। And then the Kapil Sharma वाला, and see, I'm not, वैसे मैंने बोलता हूँ मैं दिग्गजों के साथ कंपटीशन नहीं कर सकता,
Right.
ठीक है। अगर मैं उनको ए ग्रेड में रखता हूँ तो मे बी आई एम अ बी ग्रेड ऑथर, आई कैन नॉट कम्पीट विद देम बिकॉज दे हैव, एक तो सीनियर भी है, दे आर नॉट माई कंटेम्प्रेरी, माई कंटेम्प्रेरी अब डिफरेंट पीपल। अब मैं तो खैर कंपटीशन मानते नहीं, क्योंकि मैं कंपटीशन करता ही नहीं।
Exactly. We have to compete with ourselves, like
या
our
इट्स
better
फाइन।
version, not with the
वो
other
शाहरुख सर
people.
बोलते हैं ना कि मैं किसी को बुरा नहीं चाहता, मैं अपना अच्छा चाहता हूँ,
Exactly.
राइट। सो this is actually not a PR gimmick, but these are all concepts which is dedicatedly with marketing. ये बुक मुझे पता है चलेगा, आई नो विच बुक्स विल वर्क इन द मार्केट, विच बुक्स विल नॉट वर्क इन द मार्केट, ठीक है। कौन से कवर्स लोगों को अच्छे लगेंगे, कौन से कवर्स नहीं अच्छे लगेंगे, राइट? कौन से कैरेक्टर्स अच्छे लगेंगे, क्योंकि आई हैव नाउ गुड एक्सपीरियंस
Hmm.
not only about writing books or reading books. I have now published over 300 authors. I know कौन सी स्टोरीज मार्केट में अच्छी चलेंगी और चलवाई ही जाएगी, ठीक है? आपको क्या लग रहा है कि यू वुड, मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो दिस और नॉट, इफ द ऑडियंस नो दिस नॉट, इंडिया टॉप सेलिंग ऑथर, एवरीबॉडी नोज हु इज ही, राइट? उसका बुक भी आने वाला है, तो हिज बुक इज कमिंग अप, ही इज स्टिल स्पेंडिंग in lakhs in marketing. Do you
Hmm.
think a newcomer with 10,000 rupees marketing budget will survive? Come on, man, grow up. It's people need to understand this, but don't understand this. If you want to become, चलो top तो नहीं, मैं समझता हूँ top 100 में भी आपको घुसना है. If you think you only have कि word of mouth या reviewers को भेज देंगे और वो 50 रुपए वाला रिव्यू खरीद लेंगे, doesn't work. That person who doesn't even need marketing
That person is doing marketing.
of lakhs,
Yeah.
lakhs in the sense I'm not talking 1-2 lakhs, lakhs, ठीक है? मैं बता रहा हूँ, अभी मेरे साथ 3 बड़े ऑथर के बुक्स आए हैं, तीनों, वन फ्रॉम पेंगुइन, 2 आर फ्रॉम हार्पर, ठीक है? एंड दे आर स्पेंडिंग इन lakhs. Publisher is also spending in lakhs. They have distribution, they have good tie-up with Amazon, they have tie-up with Flipkart, and still I was there. So मैं यार,
If I'm not wrong, you are talking about Chetan Bhagat.
I don't name people, but I'm a big fan. People criticize him a lot,
Yeah.
but इंडिया के यूथ के हाथ में अगर किताब किसी ने पकड़ाया है, चेतन भगत. पीपल, आप मानो ना मानो, अभी मैंने पता है डाला भी था कि या 3 दिग्गजों को अभी बुक
I've seen
निकालना था,
that.
जब
Yeah.
क्योंकि क्या रैंकिंग में फर्क पड़ जाता है ना.
Exactly.
अगेन वो 3 तो टॉप पे ही रहेंगे, 3 मैं चौथा ही बन सकता हूँ, राइट?
Right.
टॉप 3 रैंक्स तो गए. तो लोगों ने लॉट ऑफ डीएम्स वेयर पीपल टेल मी कि आप सीवी को दिग्गज कैसे बोल रहे
Okay.
हो. उसमें क्या हुआ, तो आई टोल्ड देम कि ही इज द टॉप सेलिंग ऑथर, ठीक है? उनके बाद जो नेक्स्ट आते हैं, आई वोंट नेम अगेन, सोचो फॉर एग्जांपल सीबी इजीली सेल्स अराउंड 25 to 30 lakhs पर बुक. सेकंड पे जो है पता कितने में?
That Mary one.
नहीं नहीं, इंडियन ऑथर में बता रहा हूँ आपको, मैं बता रहा हूँ
Okay.
कितने कौन सेल करते हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस अगेन, आई आल्सो, आई एम ऐसा नहीं कि मैं श्योर काउंट है, बट आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर दैट इट्स ऑलमोस्ट करेक्ट. सो इफ सीबी इज सेलिंग 25-30 लाख कॉपीज, द सेकंड जो हमारा रैंकिंग ऑथर है ना, जो सेकंड सबसे हाईएस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर है, ही सेल्स अराउंड 5-6 लाख कॉपीज. यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस. कोई कंपटीशन ही नहीं बनने का, एंड यू आर टेलिंग
Exactly.
दिग्गज नहीं है. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल, राइट? सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच हु इज सेलिंग एंड रेस्पेक्ट. वो जैसा भी है, आपको लग रहा है सही नहीं, मत पढ़ो ना, देखते रहे.
Yeah,
मेरे को
right.
पढ़ो तुम.
It's like if you don't want to read, you cannot push other
नहीं,
people
आई हैव
to
सीन
see the choices like you make for them.
so-called literature lover, they criticize him a lot, and I feel that's very unfair.
That's unfair and
He
that's
has changed the revolution of the literary industry in
writing
India,
industry. Yeah.
and people need to respect him. ठीक है, I don't know. I'm a fan, so I will tell he writes good. But if you think he doesn't write good,
Just don't go for it.
ठीक है, मत करो. Don't criticize him. Admit the fact, address the fact that he is the reason youth is reading.
Youth is reading it. Like Chetan Bhagat has been the best-selling author, and he is known as the people's writer. But
Yeah,
he
yeah.
receives has like criticism from the audience
I know.
because you recently saw like he's 33 and she's 21. That trailer like that went. People gone crazy on the internet. Like some were in defense, some were in support. So that was like so much. That
Whoa.
created a chaos. And as a youth writer, do you see yourself like you have been compared with him at times because of writing youth inspiring stories? So do you see yourself in that bracket where you are being criticized for what you are writing?
Initial days, I was very criticized for my writing style, but people now understood that he's not a good writer. But yes, I will love to keep his book because he makes good concept books. You know, I have understood this very long back, and अब criticism कम होता है comparatively because they know that क्या बोल के फायदा, वो तो वही बोलेगा, रेड एंड व्हाइट थोड़ी लिखे. So they now know me.
Hmm.
So they now have stopped criticizing me, and they have, बोलते हैं ना कि एक अच्छे इंसान के साथ आप कितना बुरा कर लोगे.
True.
मैंने इतना प्यार दिया ना लोगों को, इतना प्यार दिया ना, मैंने अपने हेटर्स को भी फैंस में कन्वर्ट कर लिया. दे नाउ बाय माय बुक्स. they also tell me जैसे अभी हुआ था, so I tied up with a lot of अच्छा very inspired by Sayyara movie. Okay, so what Sayyara movie PR team did, there was no interviews, no podcast, no promotion, nothing, just with influencer marketing. So I thought it's a very nice idea. So I should try with my next book. So I tied up with a lot of influencers,
Okay.
छोटे बड़े, medium size or बड़े size. You will see the book is now this week. Instagram is all about the diary of an author. Yeah, because it's everywhere. It will be everywhere. because अभी book पहुंचने ही वाला पहुंच भी गया होगा लोगों को.
Yeah.
It has started reaching and you will see. So I think that was a very nice plan and this time we did it and I hope that works. That's also because all the houses are doing.
Right.
ठीक है मैं तो
There
again
are different ways of doing it. Some barter, some paid, and like
barter bait PR boxes are
PR
sent.
boxes.
ठीक है. Again PR boxes are sent. There are a lot of reviewers who charge me a lot and they are doing it for free because it's a big publishing house. All biased. It's okay. Maybe one day they'll do.
talking about fans, you have been attended to Shah Rukh Khan's party, and being a fan, like you were a fan in his in his party.
Yeah.
That is one feeling, and the other feeling you're talking about your fans. That is another feeling. So, which one makes you more satisfied about your journey?
See, both has its own importance. See, meeting Shah Rukh Khan was a dream come true. Yeah. May God bless you also. You also have a podcast with him maybe one day. When you talk to
That's so
him,
sweet.
he talks exactly what I'm talking to you. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा आप शाहरुख खान से बात कर रहे हो. That's तभी बोलते हैं ना वो पता है आप जब बोलते हैं ना he is the only star जिससे आप मिलने के बाद आप ज़्यादा बड़ा फैन बन जाओगे
Zara
उसके.
Bada fan.
Because he is very courteous gentleman. जो बोला है जो आपने सुना है ना इंटरनेट में सब सच है.
While I was coming, I just came across that reel in which you are asking him question and he is answering that.
Yeah.
That was so overwhelming. Like I felt very good about it.
मेरे से आप पूछोगे ना what's my biggest achievement in life? My biggest achievement in life is that Shahrukh sir knows me by my name.
Yeah.
And I remember I was just talking मतलब उसमें ना ऐसी क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा था कि वो I think डॉन का कौन सा सीक्वल बनाना चाहोगे.
Yeah,
And
that one.
I was just talking to him सर कि आपके एक ट्वीट ने तो मैं ऐसे because he knows me I was just telling सर आपका ट्वीट ने तो made me a star overnight. And I was just like अजताब यार ऐसा नहीं. He said
He said that,
कि
and
मेरे
that
ट्वीट
is
की
what
वजह से
made,
नहीं
made
हुआ.
me like more proud about him. Like he was like, मेरे ट्वीट ने तुम्हें
That's
famous नहीं किया. You are a good writer.
yeah
That's why you became
yeah
famous.
again that's humbleness.
Yeah.
Everybody in the country, everybody who knows me knows this that Shahrukh made me a star overnight. Okay.
Exactly. It
But
made
he,
impact.
again, he is very humble. And if you talk about fans, I always tell whatever I have, I don't know वो stardom है या जो भी है, all the fans. I don't call it as fans. They're all my friends and family, and it feels very magical. You wake up, there are DMs. Even if I just reply with a heart, it makes their day. So magical. The God has blessed me with this power that a single emoji can make someone's day.
Someone say right.
And लोग पता है अभी भी वो होता है that day the winner I think I declared the winner.
Yeah, yesterday,
Yeah.
yeah, I saw that.
So the team told me कि आप एक बार बात कर लो. ठीक है. And she got a message from my team that like Alta will call you. ठीक है वो sir will call you ऐसा करके बोला. And she was so happy. Oh Alta will call you. And I was thinking क्या हो गया कॉल ही तो करना कॉल तो मैं ऐसे भी कर लेता हूँ लोगों को. Same happens with the DM. A reader reads the book. They send me a text that I read this book and did this story. Nice, whatever they give a review.
Yeah.
And I reply them just a thank you. And they take a screenshot and they post it again. He replied. अरे मैसेज का तो काम ही होता है ना reply करना.
Reply करना.
How is it? But yeah, तभी मैं कहता हूँ it's very magical. It's very like a dream like कि कैसे एक message can make you so happy.
So happy, right?
And so you can make your day and पता है कि it gives you a good testosterone and I don't know. So yeah, it's
Yeah.
very magical. You have to have fans.
Having reading so many books now, I also sometimes like while I'm reading, I message you as well in the between. Like I have read half of it and it is going well. I am just so excited about this podcast.
Yeah.
So these kind of things, being an author and a reader, like lets me like let's tell them. They
Yeah.
should know how we are feeling about their work. It will motivate them and they will bring more good books and they will
Yeah, yeah.
contribute to
I honestly,
literature.
you won't believe my main aim was meeting these three people, and मेरा ये भी था कि होता ना कि I'll focus on work maybe more because again I was not earning from books. So, but when I started getting that love and when I saw uh, even Shah Rukh Sir's book or even one of my book got very popular, the bestseller. Okay, that bestseller became the first bestseller actually. That also the story is also there how it
Yeah.
became a bestseller, and It's My Love Story came out. That was till date It's My Love Story's characters Aditya and Janvi,
January, right?
the most loved characters of all of my books. And when I went to the Kapil Sharma show, that was also not expected because that was not in the part of the plan. Because मैंने ये सोचा था कि यार शाहरुख सर ने जैसे ट्वीट कर दिया था
He
या
might
एक
also
फोटो
do.
खिंचवा ले तो it will give an authentication कि it's a genuine book and they know usually. Again, very humble of Kapil Sharma that वो उन्होंने सोचा कि यार शो पे भी ले सकते हैं. And so when I the air was जैसे कि जिस रात शाहरुख का ट्वीट आया था 9th March 2016, my phone didn't buzz, मतलब बंद ही नहीं हुआ ना. Literally silent के रात को सोया था. The guy a year back who was struggling to get a single PR article, I went to every publishing house. This Times of India, ST, everywhere. Uh, Nowhere it was published actually, right? And see the magic of this person. One tweet and I was a star overnight. And next day, that even after the tweet, कौन से बड़े पब्लिशिंग हाउस ने मुझे कॉल नहीं किया होगा.
But you never decide to go to them. Like there was any reason like you did not go to big publisher for publishing when they even called you.
बिकॉज मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, आई ऑलवेज फील दिस, पैसे को पानी नहीं पिलाया तो फिर अमृत पिला के क्या फायदा. भूखे को खाना नहीं खिलाया फिर आप मुझे बिरयानी भी खिला दो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. आई फील कि व्हेन आई नीडेड देम, ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं मैं बहुत सालों तक पीछे था. ठीक है, व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग विद पेंगुइन, वन ऑफ द बुक्स आई वुड नेम इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट कंफर्म. मेरा सपना था पेंगुइन से बुक आना. पेंगुइन में जब मेरी सो आई वाज वर्किंग फॉर अ वेरी रिनाउंड ऑथर विद पेंगुइन, एंड उनको लगा कि यार तू बहुत पैसा उठा रहा है बिकॉज आई वाज टू फ्रीलांस फॉर देम. तो उन्होंने इन हाउस बुला लिया. दे ऑफर्ड मी कि आप ये, इट वाज अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू वर्किंग फॉर
Right.
book lover. Working for Penguin is a dream come true.
Dream come
So
true.
when I met there, I already knew a lot of people there because I was working almost for 4 years as a freelancer with them.
Mm-hmm.
And they also know that book, Shahrukh Wala book, and they knew that I was very popular author as well. And so when I was one of the books, I wanted कि वो Penguin से आए ताकि reach again. You go to a big publisher for distribution and reach.
You're right.
ठीक है. And I won't name the book. I won't name anyone, but I pulled that book from Penguin.
Okay.
That book was almost a yes. ठीक है. But I pulled that book out of. There was a reason again to pulling out books, and ठीक है, maybe ऐसा नहीं कि मैं I have closed the door for big publishing houses. Someday, yeah, if I think, for example, if I'm earning a specific amount from my own house, if they are ready to offer even match that offer, why not?
Right.
Because I know that if they can match that offer, I can spend more on marketing, and if I have a big publisher's name behind my back, it will double up my speed, right?
Yeah,
अगर मैं
exactly.
आज, for example, I easily sell easily 20-50,000 copies a year, which is maybe of course दिग्गज से competition नहीं है, but selling 25,000 copy a year is a big number, I know, and publishing houses also know this. 25,000 is a big number, and yeah, if they offer me कि 30,000 copies को मुझे royalty मिल जाए advance, yeah, I'm open for it. ऐसा नहीं कि I'm saying no, मैं एकदम भाई सेल्फ पब्लिशिंग ही रोना मेरे को. But yeah, if they do, yes, of course, because again, it will double up my speed. अगर if I'm selling 25,000 copies today, I will easily sell 50,000,
50,000
70,000
next time.
copies because of them. Because जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो खुद ही करेंगे.
Exactly.
तो मेरे पास और पैसे बचेंगे कि मैं
Bachenge and
अपना
you
और
get
कुछ करूँ.
more than that. Exactly.
Right.
Mostly in India, selling books are short love stories and self-help. So
Hmm.
what do you think? Like readers are skeptical to pick up complex writing and books like other books.
इंडिया में देखो, प्यार एक ऐसा चीज ना, I will tell you, love is something which has everybody has gone through. people relate to it very easily. And love is very, I won't say overhyped, but most love is the most loved thing in this country. Be it a rom-com movie, ठीक है, या be it a rom-com like novel, OTT, कुछ भी देखो, गाना भी देखो, right? The last song you will remembering maybe Sayara, right? Right song और जन्ना मेरे, आपको कौन सा रॉक गाना है, कुछ नहीं याद रहा है, क्योंकि see that is something we are, बोलते हैं ना, बॉलीवुड ने ही हमें शेप किया है. बॉलीवुड हैज ऑल दिस रोमांटिक मूवीज एंड
True.
दैट्स हाउ वी ग्रो अप एंड दैट्स हाउ वी आर प्रोग्राम्ड एक्चुअली. तो भी हमें रोमांस बहुत पसंद आता है, या बट इट इज नाउ शिफ्टिंग. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट शिफ्टिंग एंड द ऑथर्स हैव आल्सो स्टार्टेड शिफ्टिंग. ऑल द रोमांस ऑथर्स हैव नाउ एटलीस्ट ट्राइंग रोमांस थ्रिलर, मतलब
Right.
वो उसमें जा रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट मर्डर मिस्ट्री में जा रहे हैं, या माइथोलॉजिकल इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी बूमिंग. बट माइथोलॉजी में एक्चुअली पता है घुसना भी नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि अगेन
It demands research, a lot of research. maybe.
रिसर्च तो है ही है. रोम-कॉम इज द मतलब easiest thing to write, I would say. Actually, I do books, I know. It is the easiest thing to do because क्या ना, जैसे मैंने बोला, every author starts with their own story.
Right.
They'll टूटा, they'll write a book. You'll agree. This is मतलब ये तो facts वाली बात है, तो मैं कुछ no one can challenge with this. आप कोई भी दिग्गज author को देखो, कोई भी, या अभी last 10 years में भी जो popular हुए होंगे ना authors, सब वही, their heartbreaking stories or maybe their own love story. They started with their book. Of course, जो चल गया, then they switched
This
career.
way, right.
Yeah, so that is maybe that is the reason we are programmed to Pyar Mohabbat, Ashik. You know, I always wanted to become the Shah Rukh Khan of the writing industry, but I have turned up into a Salman Khan. Means मेरे readers सारे वो है दिल टूटा आशिक.
Yeah, I have seen in this book as well. Dil Toota Ashik is that is one
Yeah.
chapter as well, and there is one phrase just like that. After achieving like big things, you are just using just like that. I became a best-selling author. Just like that, I met with Shah Rukh Khan. So why are you just putting it just like that? It was never just like that.
No, it was. See, when I was writing this book, I wanted, this is a specially dedicated book to authors. If you're an author, you'll love this book because पूरी books चल रहा है इसमें, नहीं है? And you get to know my behind the scene of all the books.
Right.
Okay? And I wanted to be, see, this is of course love story भी है, heartbreaking story भी है, दोस्ती की कहानियाँ हैं, फैमिली की कहानी है, बुक्स तो है ही, right? जब मैं चाहता हूँ कि कोई ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन भी पढ़े, या फिर ऑथर इज रीडिंग, दे शुड गेट इंस्पायर्ड. द मेन रीजन वाज कि ऑफ कोर्स आई नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट, people tell this a lot of time. So, this is perception people get about me, that he does celeb books because that will work in marketing.
In marketing, right?
कि शाहरुख पे बुक लिखा है चलेगा, धोनी पे लिखा है. Trust me, these 3 books, even including the 4th YouTuber one, this all celeb वाले book जितने भी लिखे हैं, those are the most difficult books of my life. Do you think it's easy to meet Shah Rukh Khan? Write a book on him. Let's see
If you
how
are-
much time it will take to reach him. Because see, I know what it takes, to reach there. And you won't believe, Kapil Sharma वाला book took almost 4 years. To
Okay.
and fro. एक टाइम पे तो कपिल शर्मा ने मना भी कर दिया था. Again,
Yeah,
to,
it mentioned
to
that.
convince them, to tell them that we are doing this book, and to tell them, and again convincing them कि can we do this book, ठीक है. And MSD वाला movie book was ready almost 2 years back. 2024 में आया वो, तो 2022 में ready था. But I was waiting कि धोनी तक पहुंचे तभी. नहीं तो ऐसे there are still couple of books on very big celebs. Can't name them again because अभी permission नहीं मिला मुझे. Maybe
Okay.
one day we'll have a permission, and there are books which is already done and ready, but I cannot publish them because I want them to have. See, I'm not a chapri writer that I just randomly publish something, and क्या होता है ना कि कल को, see, there are n number of books on Shah Rukh Khan.
Right. Recently, one came by Mohar Basu.
Yeah, I understand. Again, I don't take names, but how many of them Shah Rukh knows? I don't want to just write a random book on random celeb and go random out. I want to, if I'm doing a book, especially if these 3 people I was doing, I wanted them to know. I wanted them to know that Ajitab is doing a great book, and they should be happy that Ajitab is doing a great book.
So, do you have any book recommendation apart from yours that are something different from love stories and self-help?
My book recommendations, yeah. I don't know if you have read this or not. Few Things Left Unsaid by Sudeep Nagarkar. Everyone should read.
I think that
That's
has the mention in this book.
yeah. Sudeep sir has been a mentor to me, and actually that was my first novel which I've ever read. That is something you should definitely read. Rom com के अलावा बोला ना, this is the original story of the author. Rom com के अलावा,
You read a lot of books. You can't be like blank at this moment.
hey, see, it's not about reading, it's about recommending.
So
Read,
you might be having some favorites. You can just share your favorites.
favorite authors.
Yeah.
Durga Datta is my favorite. I like her work. Sudeep Sai is my favorite. I enjoy Ruskin Bond's book. I enjoy Sudha Murthy's book. I read Indian authors. I did a real as well on that. ऐसा नहीं कि बाहर की बुक्स पढ़ता नहीं. I love that book called The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. ठीक है. अब देखो मैं क्लीशे नाम तो ले ही सकता हूँ. नहीं मतलब अगर लेना है ऐसे नाम तो जैसे ना काइट रनर ले लूंगा, ये तो एल्केमिस्ट ले लूंगा. Everybody talks about that book. ठीक
Yeah,
है.
they
मैं
are
ऐसे बुक्स का
already
नाम लूंगा
famous.
जो which are very good and people are not
Not
reading.
getting to those books.
Yeah, there's
That
a
is very important actually when we talk about the actual recommendation.
yeah.
So we need
Because
to
क्या है ना,
bring something that is
कॉलेज
not
लोग
in the
सब पढ़ रहे हैं
market.
ना.
Hmm.
I don't need to recommend. मतलब who am I to recommend? That's what I say.
Exactly.
See, there's a book named You and I Complicated by Aditya Nigot. That is very nice. ठीक है. And और जानना है, स्तुति का भी एक बुक आया है. The Fault
I
in
think
The Fault in Sun.
something
The Stars
stars.
Will Take
Stars will bring you home,
Stars
guide you
Will
home.
Guide You Home. Is that right? Yeah, that book is very nice. I was reading 20 this one. Look, do read this book. 2120 by Aniket Raj. It's a very futuristical. That's what I say. I read a lot of books. I read usually love stories.
Okay.
I will tell you why. Because पहले मजा आता था, ठीक है. अब मैं इसलिए पढ़ता हूँ कि मुझे अपना जो कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑथर्स हैं, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि कौन सी लव स्टोरी या कौन सी कहानी ऑलरेडी मार्केट में है.
Market में
मैं
है.
सेम चीज लिखने बैठ जाऊँ.
नहीं नहीं.
मे बी क्या
That
मेरे पास
won't make
आइडिया है,
sense. Yeah.
लेकिन
You have
अगर
to
मैं
give
वही
your
चीज
unique
वापस लिख
touch.
दिया तो फिर मेक सेंस ना. और क्या है ना, जब एक स्तर पे भी आप आ जाते हो ना, पीपल विल स्टार्ट टेलिंग कॉपी किया.
Exactly.
So
That,
you have,
that's where the
so
problem
I'm very
starts.
well versed with what people are writing actually.
Yeah, I think that is important. Otherwise, the problem like people start coming and they will say just you have
अरे
copied or
एकदम
something.
बहुत जो
And
आप
even if sometimes I'll tell you one feedback recently I received on one of my books.
Hmm.
Somebody out of hatred of to my illustrator just commented shared a review on Amazon. This book is copied. It was written by me. The poetry. It was poetry. This book is copied and illustrations are something like that person just cribbed the illustrator and illustration. I just read that line. This book is copied, and I was like, I was writing this book for the three. I wrote that in a span of 3 months, and then editing and all the things went through 1 year. So I was like, how could somebody play like this? Like something that is written
you
uniquely.
need to learn. But what I've learned in this 10 years, how to handle haters. As I said, I convert them into my fans.
Actually, that was the
Agree
case
with
of like,
them.
exactly.
I will tell you a secret. Agree with them.
Yeah, that
हाँ
was the
बोल दो.
case of hatred for the illustrator. That's why that happened. So I was like, let it be. These kind of people
That's
keep
fine.
coming,
That's
and
fine.
that's fine itself.
It's fine. People
So-
will come up with negative reviews. It's fine. You should.
They just think like it will hamper you and your mental health and it will impact
Yes,
your
exactly.
relationship with other people. So that's the main reason they are trying to
See-
pitch in with their hatred.
People know you, ठीक है. And if people are changing because somebody, an XY, a random person is
Is-
commenting and changing their perception on you, I think they will never your
They were never your people,
Yeah, so
right?
it's fine.
Exactly. So you just told like you have written you already have more books. So why do you say this is your last book? Like again, that is a PR gimmick
No,
or
this
how
is not
is
a
it?
PR game. Actually, it's not a PR game. I would say that it was my last book. If you have read the book, if you have read the last epilogue, but I'm saying that throughout this 10 years, I have sacrificed and compromised a lot of things just of these books and publishing. It's time, it's my dream to go back home now. I want to. My parents are getting old. I want to stay with them. you know. And I feel very bad, you know. I hardly visit once or twice a year, and I'm very ashamed of, not proud, I'm very ashamed of this.
I can understand that,
Yeah.
how it feels.
So, and whenever I go home, I see more wrinkles in the face, and it grips my heart.
It
You know,
reminds me of like, as we are growing old, they are also growing old.
and we are not there to see it,
Yeah.
right? And not all of a sudden, but with time, I have realized that हो तो गया, मिल तो लिया, अब और क्या, अब क्या, राइट? आ गया लिस्ट, नंबर वन बन गया, ठीक है, मिल गया, लोगों से भी मिल गया, प्यार बहुत है, ठीक है, पैसे भी भगवान की दया, ठीक है, राइट? अब और क्या, कुछ नहीं. आई थिंक इट्स टाइम आई गो बैक टू माई रूट्स, आई गो बैक टू माई होम, you know, um, go back to my family, and I miss everything here, you know, all festivals, all rituals or culture, whatever you can talk about. It's not that uh, I have sacrificed everything just to be in the maybe Amazon list one. Maybe it's time, you know, I take a break maybe. जैसे मैंने बोला, बुक्स ऑलरेडी है फाइन लाइन अप में, ऐसा नहीं कि you never know that big celeb somebody someday calls me and tell कि कर ले. तो ऑफ कोर्स वो तो कल ही बुक आ जाए, फिर हम लोग बोलेंगे तो लास्ट बुक बोला था. बुक है, ऐसा नहीं कि बुक्स नहीं है, बट या आई विल डेफिनेटली टेक अ बिग ब्रेक.
Okay. So
वो
what's the
जो
plan
मेरे
ahead?
अंदर वो क्या है ना, देखो, वी आर ऑल कमर्शियल राइटर्स,
Hmm.
ठीक है. ये जो भी अमेजोन बेस्टसेलर में देखते हो, जितने भी नाम हैं, ये 10-15, आप जितने भी 20 लोगों को जानते होगे बड़े ऑथर्स, वी ऑल आर कमर्शियल राइटर्स. एंड हमारे मतलब होता ना कि मेरे को एक दिन रियलाइज हुआ कि व्हाई वी आर लाइक रनिंग इन दिस रैट रेस. क्यों हमें हर साल बुक निकालना है,
Exactly.
राइट? व्हाई नॉट take a break? I will take a break, definitely, no matter what, because break is important to maybe कैसे बताऊं, it's too much now, all this stardom and showbiz and this interviews and PR, book launches, promote करो, influencer से बात करो, and वही रील में thank you.
And show yourself on the reel and on the social media.
Yeah, ऐसा नहीं बोलूंगा कि इसे I love the love I get, ठीक है,
Yeah.
but I want to now love my parents. I want to go back to them, I want to talk to them, राइट? क्योंकि मेरे पापा मम्मी बहुत खुश हुए थे जब शाहरुख से मिल के आया था. दे आर वेरी प्राउड. दे जब फर्स्ट टाइम न्यूज़पेपर में आर्टिकल आया था, फर्स्ट टाइम जब दूसरे वालों ने, पड़ोसियों ने आके बोला था कि आपके बेटे को देखा हमने, नाउ दे फील है. इफ आई एम टोलिंग कि यार माय 14 बुक इज कमिंग या 13 बुक इज कमिंग, दे लाइक ठीक है, भेज देना. Because again, that's when I realized that it's a very okay thing for them, right? And I feel ki I have in I won't say ki I have achieved everything in book industry or the writing industry.
Of course, it
Yeah,
takes
there's
time
no,
and it will
no,
endless.
there's endless, right?
Hmm.
Of course, I want to beat the number one as well. I also want to sell. If I'm selling 25-30,000 copies, I want to sell even 25 lakh copies one day. But not now. I have time. I am just 34. I look like 40, but I'm 34. Maybe after 40, because ABA, all the famous, all popular authors are all old. Maybe they don't take me seriously also. And so yeah, I'll take a break. That's the reason I would say it's my last book until I write something more.
While reading
Means
the
I don't have.
story,
Usually क्या होता है ना, मेरे पास पता है मुझे, जैसे कि I know
Hmm.
जब धोनी वाली किताब लिख रहा था, I know that I have this book. ठीक है, अब जैसे ये वाला बुक भी जब लिख रहा था, I know that there are 2
what's
more books
coming
coming.
ahead?
I know.
Yeah, right.
Now I have no. I have dropped the pen. I'm not writing anymore. So इसीलिए last book इसको, it's not a PR and actually, yeah, it helped me because people were very not upset but sad that why last book.
Because you have your life ahead, like,
Yeah,
and it's just 10 years you have been writing,
yeah.
and like 13 books, and you have come up with अचानक से, मतलब you came up with your story. Like, it's, I felt like आगे कुछ unique idea नहीं है, or you are not ready to give more unique books to India or
Hey,
something
there are
like that.
ideas. Trust me, there are ideas. Means if somebody pays me for marketing, I will give you good ideas that will work really well. You know, मैं एक idea दे ही रहा हूँ ना. लो, write a book with a name, with like writer's notepad, and print it like a notepad.
Oh wow,
Why not?
that's a good one. I am also working on a book right now. That's not unique idea, but that is something I just wanted to bring in the form of book. But I'm not talking about it right now.
That's fine.
Because,
Don't talk. Or ले लेते हैं
yeah,
भाई ideas. You don't have any ideas. Now the leather books will come out. You
of
will see.
course,
You will see. In next 5 years, there are a lot of leather books will come out.
definitely.
Because अभी hardback तो ऐसे लोग निकाल रहे हैं. I don't know how come they have found these publishing houses have found a new printer who are giving, because hardbacks are costly.
Very, very costly.
Very
Right.
as a publisher I know. ठीक है. They have found a publisher printer who are giving it for a very cheaper rate. I'm sure.
Okay.
Every book is coming out in hardback. How is it possible?
Yeah,
इतना
right.
पैसा कहाँ से आ रहा है? क्योंकि क्या मुझे पता ना, क्योंकि ये बुक अगर पेपर बैग 100 रुपए का आएगा ना, हार्डबैक विल कम फॉर 200.
Right.
बट देयर इज अ प्रिंटर हु इज प्रिंटिंग दैट बुक फॉर 120. एंड वो मुझे भी क्रैक करना, बिकॉज आई वांट टू नो दैट हु इज दैट printer who is selling, because I know they have cracked. I also have to crack.
This has been fun,
Thank you.
insightful, and engaging discussion. And we have some controversies in between, and I think the audience is going to love that.
I
But
hope
before
so.
we close it, I have a quick game for you. Being a reader yourself, so I have got a game called Reader's Confession.
Okay.
So now you have to confess as a reader about the questions I'm going to pose before you. The first one is, what are some of your quirky reading habits?
I have to finish book. I cannot resist. I have this anxiety issues if I pick up a book and I don't finish. Not only with books, but also with movies. लोग होते हैं ना कि वो आधा मूवी देख के कल देख
कल
ना
देख
ना I cannot do it. So I think this is one of the लोगों को पता नहीं I have anxiety issues. Only with these things. Like होता है ना.
It's like
Um,
kind of OCD.
yeah. Not OCD. Yeah, we can term it as
OCD of
OCD.
completing it.
I don't like folding pages.
Okay.
Folding pages makes me
Like
very
doggy.
angry, very, very angry. And I don't understand the trend. Why people are decorating books? This is not a coloring book. Don't do it.
I feel like okay, because if I would have received your book earlier, I would have came up with annotated parts of your book.
No. Yeah, it looks good on Instagram. I don't know if they really are lining for something or is just for Instagram pictures. No, don't write anything on my book. My book, मतलब मैं अगर कुछ, if you are picking up my book, don't do it. It's okay if you are doing your book. Because if you have my book, your version, you can do it. It's your book. You paid for it.
Exactly. Ever bought a book just for cover and not caring about what's inside?
Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan by Mohan Basu. Yeah, it's very true. It's just for the cover. Not cover, actually, it's for the Shah Rukh Khan. It's a very good looking book, I would say.
Yeah, I've
But
seen
eventually I
it's
started
very
reading
catchy.
it. And one of the best biographies of Shah Rukh Khan. Everyone should read it. I recommended it on
Yeah.
Instagram. Yeah. Now we are friends as well. More love you.
This is going to create, like, you have to name a book if you can. Ever lied about your liking for the book on social media?
Yeah, YouTube Stars of India. Very flop book. I think don't read it. I'm very open with it because that book was very बहुत पैसे डूबा. Because where I spoke about how the maths went all wrong because maybe of fake
You
numbers.
considered like them to, like, it
Yeah, for example,
happens.
it's a very, it should not happen. I'll tell you why. I've already told you. I'll talk again if you're, maybe this goes viral. For example, all the YouTubers have minimum 10 million. मिनिमम बोल रहा हूँ 20 भी अब तो 40 भी चलेगी. सो अगर सोचो 10 मिलियन भी सबके हैं, 15 यूट्यूबर्स थे उसमें, सो 10 मिलियन में सोचो अगर 1% भी लोग बुक खरीदते हैं उनके फैंस, सो हाउ मच, लाइक कितना, 1 लाख, 10 मिलियन कितना होता है 1%?
just remove one zero.
हाँ 1 लाख, नो सही तो बोला,
हाँ.
1 लाख. आई थॉट नहीं यार 1 लाख तो इज अ वेरी, एक यूट्यूबर अगर 1 लाख का देगा मतलब तो 15 लाख कॉपी बिक जाएगा. आई विल बी लाइक नेक्स्ट सीवी, व्हाट नॉनसेंस,
Yeah, right.
नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई थॉट मे बी 0.1, 10,000 मतलब अगेन 1.5 लाख कॉपीज. नहीं यार, वर्स्ट सिनेरियो.
Yeah, that is what I was saying. Like, it happens is like people don't take it, they don't share about it, they just leave it. Like, if you are doing something for someone, they might be like, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कर दिया उसने तो. So if they are not ready to share
जबकि
it.
it was an authorized biography. ऐसा नहीं कि इसके सपोर्ट नहीं किया. आशीष चंचलानी supported very well. Mortal supported very well. And there are a lot of people who supported and I'm very obliged to them. ठीक है. And honestly वही मैं कह रहा हूँ numbers आप देखो ना मैं 0.01% भी अगर सोचूं
Hmm.
then also it came down to 1000 copies right 1000 copies भी अगर 15 यूट्यूबर बेचते तो 15000 कॉपी बिकता भी hardly sold 2000 copies
Hmm.
and ऐसा नहीं लोग ये भी कह रहे हैं अरे नहीं वो तो यूट्यूबर्स के फैन doesn't work that way when Shahrukh tweeted that book sold 10,000 copies
Yeah, exactly.
when I went to Kapil Sharma's show that book sold 10,000 copies ऐसा नहीं कि अब ये तो नहीं बोल सकता कपिल शर्मा का मैं बुक्स पर बट इफ यू हैव अ रियल फैन फॉलोइंग इट विल सेल
Do you read reviews on Goodreads and Amazon secretly at
नो
night
नो नेवर
of your own book?
नो आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मेरे पास जब डीएम्स भी आता है ना मेरे रेडियो बुक आई एम नॉट दैट चीप ऑथर हु आस्क दैट fan to review their book on Amazon. No, I'm
But
not that.
that's a like small gesture only. That doesn't
नहीं
like
ठीक है I have received my review on DM.
okay. Okay, you just don't
That's my selfishness that I'm asking a review on Amazon.
okay, like you
And
just
I don't believe in that. You know, even in this influencer, I don't know even if I spoke to this about you or not. I've spoken a lot of उनका वही कि सर Amazon में भी डाल देंगे मैम बोले see my main is not to get reviews my aim is to hype that book
hype
and
that
that is the
book.
reason I am paying or maybe bartering or whatever however we are doing this book it's just for the hyping Amazon review
Hmm.
मत डालना मत डालो I don't care ठीक है मुझे पता है कि सी माई आई हैव फैंस ठीक है एंड आई विल गेट माई इसीलिए आप देखोगे ना मेरे कोई भी बुक्स में 100-200 सारा रिव्यूज नहीं है
हाँ,
बिकॉज
I've seen that.
वेरी प्राउड टू से नॉट इवन अ सिंगल रिव्यूज पेड
Hmm.
और डिडंट आई आस्क कि भाई रिव्यू डाल दो वो कंप्लीट जेन्युइन 100% आई एम टेलिंग यू आई कैन चैलेंज एनीवन इफ समबडी कम्स एंड टेल कि मैं इतने पैसे देके रिव्यू डलवाया Amazon में आई कैन चैलेंज and when one of my कुछ शाहरुख वाला book या couple of books which crossed 200 or 300 reviews I posted somewhere and one of the authors कह लिखा था क्या हो गया अब मेरे तो 600 है मैंने कहा none of them is paid so
So
we
why
have
like
difference
people competing?
they have it's okay
Okay, ever read your own book after publishing it to feel how does it look like?
yeah all of them actually
Oh, lovely.
yeah
I can't do that after
नहीं, I
writing my
have
book.
read and now when I read my old books I think that could have been better
Yeah,
lot of books
that is the feeling that I want to
you know
stay away from.
there's also a book which I wanted to कभी निकलता ही नहीं but yeah I've talked about the book as well.
Ever fell asleep while reading a book and it fell on your
A
face?
lot of times lot of times yeah.
Do you ever stalk what people are reading on metros and airports?
not really मेट्रो तो मैं ट्रैवल करता नहीं ज़्यादा airports yeah when I cross through those Starmark or Landmark stores Crossword stores there or relay stores जो होते हैं ना right yeah I do check I used to check I would be very honest कि वो बेस्ट सेलर लिस्ट में कौन है अभी
Hmm.
but 2021 I tied up with the biggest franchisee of pan India distribution and they said sir आपने पैसे तो दिए ही हैं बेस्ट सेलर में तो डाल ही दूंगा so I stopped believing in those numbers now
Right.
because and I remember very well that I started laughing मैंने कहा फर्स्ट पे डाल दो फिर वो फर्स्ट पे डाल दिए थे so if it's in first doesn't matter because it's all PR
Numbers,
games
yeah,
all PR
or
games
PR games, right? Ever started reading your own book in public just to see if people notice?
no but I have seen unknown people reading my book in front of me and my wife always tells me जाके बोल के तेरा book है but I never tell them I pass by them sit with them I also tell them nice book so that when they I have done this a lot of time means if I'm sitting at Oxford if it happened in Anford as well it happened in even a lot of times I've seen this in cafes as well they're reading my book I just when I'm just ऐसा नहीं कि जाके बोलता हूँ जब मैं निकलने वाला होता हूँ वहाँ से मैं जाके बोलता हूँ वेरी नाइस बुक ठीक
Good
है
choice.
हाँ तो मैं बोलता हाँ आई एम एंजॉयिंग कुछ भी बड़ा बड़ा रिस्पॉन्ड इज एंड दे आल्सो क्या बोला कि रैंडम गाय इज राइट I enjoy the fact that when he'll go back home and he'll realize he's the
He is
author
the author.
oh दिमाग ही फट जाएगा उसका so he missed क्योंकि पता क्या I know if I tell you he will definitely take a picture वो मजा नहीं है
हाँ,
वो जो खेलने में मजा आया ना कि वो घर जाके सोचेगा अरे यार
miss हो
क्योंकि a
गया.
lot of people have again पता है 9 out of 10 people have DM'd me oh it was you I could have taken a
I could
picture
have taken a picture.
मैंने कहा गेम ही यही है It's not about I don't want to give a picture. It's about मजा है ना.
मजा है, like the person
Shit.
came in your
shit वाला
DM.
feel. बोला, that's a very very good feeling. And yeah, I enjoy that really.
So we have come to an end to this discussion. Before I close this, I would like you to share your suggestion or your feedback or your experience about this podcast.
Amazing, amazing. As I said, I think Bodas Vishwamula, may you do a 2-camera setup soon and take a MacBook. Do good editing. May you invite Shah Rukh Khan as well in the podcast. And God bless you. And very happy. It was nice talking to you. And
Same here. Like I love this discussion, and I eventually
yeah, this will become
did
the
not
most
realize. Like I
video.
did not
First show
realize
तुम लिख
it.
के ले लो me. Because अगर see if you have a reader base ना उनको तो बहुत मजा आती है. They enjoy these things because nobody talks about what I talk.
So I feel so happy and inspired after reading your book. I will definitely recommend this book.
How much will you rate out of 10?
Like 4 to 5 out of 5. I'll go 4 to 5.
Okay.
Yeah, that's more than sufficient, I feel, because it's like a different book. It's a story of your life. How would I?
Yeah.
I don't think I should rate it.
Rate my
because-
life.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because it has struggles. It has a lot of inspiration. And one thing I want to tell you: stop self-sabotaging yourself. You have done a lot in your life throughout.
Not sabotaging. Maybe this is something which I've learned from Shah Rukh sir. I won't say I'm very humble, but I feel कि मैंने ऐसा कोई I used to feel अब book में भी देखा होगा I used to feel I'm a very Tismar Khan in 2018. I was so arrogant. अब तो you are seeing that version of me जो बहुत ठोकरे खा चुका है. When you meet Ajitabh in 2025, he is a very heartbroken and ठोकरे खाया हुआ Ajitabh. You should have met me if you have met me in 2018. You would have definitely had this review about me that he's a very arrogant person. Arrogant मतलब that that's all. I used to look down on people.
Okay, nice.
But again, God has his own way.
I am meeting you for the first time, and I can't say that actually.
Oh, that's what I think. I've changed.
If you also want to have a conversation with me, check out the details in caption. Stay tuned for the next episode.